Hello my dear students. So in last class we already learnt about matrix inversion method and case 1 problems related on matrix inversion method. So you already know that case 1 problem is nothing but determinant of A is not equal to 0, then system of equation has unique solution. So today we will discuss case 2 problems related on matrix inversion method. So that is nothing but determinant of A is equal to 0, then system of equation has infinitely many solution or no solution. Okay, next problem. So next one, yes, fifth one, solve the equation 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 1, x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2, 5y minus 5z is equal to 3. So we have to find x, y and z value for the particular equation. Okay, solution. Okay, solution. So in that first equation, so 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 1. So call it as equation number 1. So second equation, x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2. So call it as equation number 2. Next, third equation. So here x value 0. So 0 into x plus 5 into y minus 5z is equal to 3. So call it as equation number 3. So this system of equation can be written as this system of equation can be written as so Ax, you already know that, right? Ax is equal to B, where A is nothing but, where capital A is nothing but coefficient of x, y and z. So 2 minus 1, 3. So next 1, 2 minus 1. So see here in third equation, x coefficient 0. So 0, 5 minus 5. So x is nothing but variable. So x is equal to, so 3 variables, x, y and z, and b is nothing but, so constant term. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So next we have to find determinant of A value. So consider determinant of A is equal to determinant of 2 minus 1, 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 5 minus. So next we have to find the value of determinant of A. You already know that how to find the value of determinant in case of 3 cross 3 matrix. So see here plus 2. So eliminating first row, first column. So 2 into minus 5, minus 10, minus half, minus into minus plus 5. So next second element, minus into minus plus 1, eliminating first row, second column. So minus 5, minus 0, plus 3 into, eliminating first row, third column. 1 into 5, 5 minus 0. So which is equal to, so minus 10 plus 5 minus 5 minus 5 into 2 minus 10. So plus into minus, minus 5 plus 15. So which is equal to minus 15 plus 15 is equal to 0. So determinant of A is equal to 0, case 2, right? So if determinant of A is equal to 0, the system of equation has infinitely many solution or no solution. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಕೇಸ್ ಟು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ದಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ಲಿ ಮೆನಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ಲಿ ಮೆನಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆರ್ no solution. So for that so put z is equal to k. So for that put z is equal to k in equation 1 and 2. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ equation 1. So equation 1 implies put z is equal to k. So 2x minus y plus 3 into k is equal to 1. So 2x minus y is equal to 1 minus 3k. 1 minus 3k. So equation 2 implies. So agar equation 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So x plus 2y minus k is equal to 2. So x plus 2y is equal to 2 plus k. So first equation 2x minus y is equal to 1 minus 3k, x plus 2y is equal to 2 plus 3k. So call it as equation number 4, equation number 5. Again equation 4 and 5 can be written as, so system of equation can be written as ax is equal to b, right? Ax is equal to b. So see here only two variables, x and y. So where a is equal to, again a value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ from 4 and 5, so 2 minus 1. So from equation 5 1 2. So x is nothing but two variables, x y. So next constant value b is equal to, so b value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So 1 minus 3k 2 plus k. Okay, next again we have to find determinant of a value for this equation. So determinant of a, determinant of 2 minus 1 1 2. So which is equal to 2 into 2 4 minus of minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So which is not equal to 0, therefore, so which is not equal to 0, a inverse exists. The system of equation has, the system of equation has infinitely many solution or no solution. So unique solution. System of equation has unique solution. System of equation has unique solution. So write first. Okay, next. So next step. So system of equation has unique solution and a inverse exists. Infinitely many solution or no solution. So unique solution. Infinitely many solution andre one solution ಇರಬಹುದು, one ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನಾದರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? therefore a inverse exist, right? So next we have to find adjoint a. So adjoint, so consider adjoint a. So adjoint a formula, so direct formula, so this one is 2 cross 2 matrix, right? So a b minus c d, so which is equal to, so a value 2 minus into minus plus 1, so minus 1 2. So 2 1 minus 1 2. This is the value of adjoint A. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint A. 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. So 1 divided by determinant of A value. So 5 adjoint A. So 2 1 minus 1 2. So 2 1 minus 1 2. Okay, so next we have to find, so we know that x is equal to A inverse into B. So here x value, so x is nothing but x y. So A inverse, so 1 by 5 into matrix 2 1 minus 1 2. So B value, so B value ಏನಿದೆ, see here B value 1 minus 3k, 1 minus 3k, next 2 plus k. Okay, so next step by using matrix multiplication. So next step by using matrix multiplication. Okay, see here, so xy is equal to 1 by 5 into, so first row first column, so 2 into 1 minus 3k, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 minus 3 2s are 6k plus 1 into 2 plus k, so 2 plus k. Okay, next second row first column, so minus 1 into 1, so minus 1 minus into minus plus 3k plus second element, second row second column, so 2 into 1 minus 3k, 1 into 1 minus 3k, so minus 1 into 1 minus 3k plus 2 into 2 plus 3k, so 2 2s are 4 plus 2 into k 2k, so which is equal to 1 by 5. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, so which is equal to 1 by 5, so 2 plus 2 4 minus 6k plus k, so minus 5k, next so plus 3k plus 2k, so 5k plus 3, so 4 minus 5k, 5 plus 3k, 5k plus 3. So next dividing each term by 5, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so minus 5k divided by 5, so minus k plus 4 by 5 alva, so minus k plus 4 by 5, so see here 5 by 5 1, so k plus 3 by 5, this is the value of x y. So but we have to find the value of z, so already ನನಗೆ x ಮತ್ತೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, k ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ xy and z in equation 3. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 3 ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ LHS is equal to RHS ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು, z is equal to k ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ xyz in equation 3, ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 3 ಏನಿದೆ 0 into x, so 0 into x 0 plus 5 into y, so see here y value, so here x is equal to minus k plus 4 by 5, so y value k plus 3 by 5, so 5 into y value, so y value ಏನಿದೆ k plus 3 by 5, okay, minus 5 into z value ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, z is equal to k is equal to 3, so 0 into x 0, so 5 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, so 5k, so see here 5 get cancelled, so finally we get 3 minus 5k is equal to 3, so plus 5k minus 5k cancel, we get 3 is equal to 3, therefore z value which is equal to k, therefore x is equal to minus k plus 4 by 5, y is equal to k plus 3 by 5 and z is equal to k. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ, ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ is equal to 0, the system of equation has infinitely many solution or no solution, so for that we should take z is equal to some k, so z is equal to k ತೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, again system of equation ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, x value ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, y value ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, z is equal to k ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ x y z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Okay students, next we will discuss miscellaneous problems. In that first one. So if matrix A is equal to 0 1 0 0, prove that AI plus BA whole to the power of n is equal to a power n into I plus n into a power n minus 1 into BA, where I is the identity matrix of order 2 and n is a positive integer. So we have to prove that. So LHS is equal to RHS. So by using mathematical induction method, you already studied in first PU, right? So mathematical induction. So ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ mathematical induction? First n is equal to 1, next n is equal to k, and it is true for n is equal to k plus 1. So finally we conclude that which is true for all natural number. So same procedure we follow here. Okay, so solution. So first you write the given equation. So AI plus b into a whole to the power of n is equal to a power n plus I plus n into a power n minus 1 into BA, right? So before that you write we prove. So we want to prove that for all n belongs to n. So n belongs to natural number. So given equation AI plus BA whole to the power of n is equal to a power n into I plus n into a power n minus 1 into BA. So call it as equation number 1. So first step ಏನು follow ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Let us assume 1 is true for. Let us assume. So 1 is true for. So n is equal to n ತೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? n is equal to 1. So 1 is true for, n is equal to 1. So put n is equal to 1. So AI plus BA whole to the power of 1, which is equal to a power 1 into I plus n into a power 1 minus 1 into BA. So we get AI plus BA which is equal to AI plus a power 0. So n value 1, right? So a power 0 1 into BA. So LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? So 1 is true for n is equal to 1. So next let us assume 1 is true for what? Next time ತೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? Let us assume 1 is true for some n is equal to m. Some n is equal to 1 m. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು equation? AI plus b into a whole to the power of m, which is equal to a power m into I plus m into a power m minus 1 into b for n is equal to m. Some positive. So let us assume 1 is true for some positive integer. So some positive integer n is equal to m. Okay. So next time ತೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? n is equal to m plus 1. So consider. So final ಆಗಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗಬೇಕು? ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ n ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೈ m plus 1 ಆದರೆ ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? a ಪವರ್ m plus 1 into I plus n into a ಪವರ್ m plus 1 minus 1 b into a. ಸೊ ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ AI plus BA whole to the power of m plus 1. That means let us assume 1 is true for some n is equal to some positive integer n is equal to m plus 1. So this equation can be written as, so AI plus BA whole to the power of m into AI ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ಸ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2, this can be written as, so using equation 2, so this equation can be written as ai plus ba whole to the power of m. so ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, a power m into I plus m into a power m minus m into a power m minus 1 into ba, so into ai plus ba, ai plus ba. so next step, multiplying each term. so ai into a power m plus, so ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ ಹೋಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ a power m into a I into I square plus m into a power m minus 1 into ai into BA into BA plus again second term in the whole term के multiply ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a power m into I BA plus m into a power m minus 1 b into b square a into a square, right? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, so I into I, so where we know that I value ಏನಿದೆ, so question ಅಲ್ಲಿ I value ಏನಿದೆ, 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. so I square ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so 1 1 0 0 1, so which is equal to identity matrix. so a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ a into I a. so see here power ನೋಡಿ, a power 1 ಇದೆ, so a power m plus 1 into I square is always equal to I only, plus m into a power m minus 1 a into I is always equal to a. so a again b into capital A plus am I plus again am into I again am into BA plus, so ನೋಡಿ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ 1. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 0 1 0 1 0 0. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 0 0 0. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0. ಸೊ 0 ಇಂಟು ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ 0 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಗೈನ್ am ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ n plus 1 into I am plus 1 plus m into a to the power of m minus 1 into ab a plus a power m into b. okay, write first. Okay, next step. So next step, so a power m plus 1. So see here again ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಪವರ್ಸ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಬಿ ಎ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು ಐ, ಸೊ ಇಂಟು ಐ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಬಿ ಎ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಕಾಮನ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಐ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ into BA, so remaining m plus 1, so remaining m plus 1, so which is equal to so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ n by m plus 1, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು m plus 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ a ಪವರ್ m plus 1, ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಟು ಐ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. a power m plus 1 into I plus m plus 1 into a power m can be written as m plus 1 minus 1 ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ a power m into b a, ಸೇಮ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ರೈಟ್. ನೋಡಿ a power m plus 1 into I, ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ n is replaced by m plus 1, so n is replaced by m plus 1 ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a power m plus 1 into I plus m plus 1 into a power m plus 1 minus 1 into b a. So finally we get same equation. Hence 1 is true for, hence 1 is true for, hence 1 is true for all positive, hence 1 is true for all positive integer n. So first n is equal to 1, n is equal to m, next n is equal to m plus 1, hence 1 is true for all positive integer m. Okay, next problem same as last one. So now ನೀವು homework solve ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, take it as homework. Next one, so next problem take it as homework, same as last one. Okay, see here. So if matrix A is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, then prove that a power n is equal to 3 power n minus 1, 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 3 power n minus 1. So third row again 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1 for every positive integer n. So same as last one by using mathematical induction method. First step ಏನು ತೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, put n is equal to 1, next n is equal to k, next n is equal to m plus 1. So by using equation 2 values ನ replace ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So final ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ n ಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, m plus 1 ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ 1 is true for all positive integer n. Okay, same as last one. So take it as homework. Okay, thank you.